This might be the easiest animal to draw. Start with a rectangle and add a little triangle over here. Add another little rectangle over here for his head and an oval on each side. That's going to be his ears. Draw a little U right here. That's going to be his bottom lip. Make this a rectangle and we'll add a couple of eyes. Have you figured it out yet? Now add the leg back here and a little hump on the chest and the other leg. Give it a nice big round belly and we'll add the hind legs. The hind legs go kind of back and then forward. They're definitely tricky, but you can do it. We'll draw the other and the other hind leg. Now we're going to add a tail and some hooves and the rest of the details with the spots, and all of a sudden you've got a really cool looking cow. Start with those simple shapes, the rectangle, the triangle, the rectangle for his head, and those little ovals, and it makes drawing a cow much, much easier. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share.
Draw an A for Highland cow. A for Highland cow, or for awesome. And we'll add this little curved line underneath. Now it looks like a teardrop, and add a D over there and a C over here. Now we'll add a couple lines, and look at this, it's a W. Then curve the top, and we're adding a C over here and a D over here. Then we're gonna draw our Highland cow horns up around just over the top of both of the ears. Remember that A we drew? That's gonna be the part of his little emo hair. And it's hanging over his little emo eyes. He's probably from Portland or Seattle or something. Both are amazing, beautiful places. Then we're gonna draw his body really quickly with kind of a long skinny Y in between. And right over here we draw a big C for cuddly, and draw his legs in the back there, and we'll give him his tail and erase some of our guidelines, and pow, Highland cow. Let me prove even you can draw. Start by drawing an N and make it flat on the bottom with a curved line underneath and a curved line over the top. Then nice and slow, it's going to start like an S. That's going to be a nostril. We'll do the opposite on the other side. Now draw a curved line going up each side of the head. Make this eye look like a lowercase pointy B and this side a lowercase pointy D. Add an oval on each side for his ears. Now connect them, draw the inside, and we're ready for some shading. Whew, holy cow. Draw these little dots underneath the nostril on each side, and we'll add some little small whiskers. Let's give our cow some hair. Our cow doesn't have any product or style to the hair, so it kind of just lays there, nothing fancy. Color each of the eyes in really dark except for a little highlight in the center, and don't forget to add your eyelashes. Darken the nostrils. Then I'll erase some hair with my fine tip eraser and add some dark shadows behind it to make it look like the hair is overlapping in front of that dark shadow. I'm going to outline the eyes and the rest of the head a little bit more. Hopefully now you're saying, holy cow, I can draw a cow.